Hello everyone, welcome back. We are in a extremely too late. I'm first. I was running, guys. I was running. Look at these freaks running. Oh my god, we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna have some fun right now. It's the short is happening finally. The question is, did Paul hold for this short? That's the $1 million question. Did our Paul hold for that? Or not? I'm fixing right now my what is the positions? What is it? Positions and my AirTrader Pro. Okay, AirTrader Pro did not log in yet, so it has to come out. And my AirTrader Pro is coming out right now there, and we're gonna select it right now, trader dashboard, okay. And show you the PNL too. I somehow maybe didn't show the PNL before. I'm sorry for that. So how is it going, guys? We're here to enjoy a power moment. Oof, the 200, guys. I love this long. To be honest, this is a beautiful long to take right now. Kind of a little bit distracted there, but there was a few points to get there. To be honest, this was a beautiful long. Beautiful long. Why? My God, I was late to risk one micro contract there. This was a beautiful long to risk. I log into Topstep, not working. Oh, okay, timeout. This was a beautiful long, man. Liquidity grab here. Oof, that was beautiful. It's happening there. Let's see if it's gonna give us an opportunity again. But we have to be careful because anyway, Powell is still has to speak in 30 minutes. So I would say all good, but don't risk too much. Definitely, if something comes out even shorter here, I will try to play some but we will see. Is the moment of the longs. By the way, short in 260 was the plan. Wow, that was a beautiful plan. And top step not working is the worst things I think right now. For your mental state, I would say, yeah, just keep it chill, my friend. Let's see what we get. Especially his power is gonna be the fun part. I would love to go long around this area here. My long area. Longer test, 160s, 70s. That would be the best, but we'll see. Even this 200s coming back again would be amazing, but that your 260 short, it's beautiful. Yes. By the way, guys, let me tell you this, it's so stupid. So I told you I bought a microphone, right? And I spent a good amount of money. You know, I spent a good amount of money, 300 euro on it to purchase this microphone that is gonna change a lot for the live. I'm really upgrade this content of this channel. I'm getting as well a Starlink to live trade in different places around the world and don't have any problems of connection. And second, I need a stand for my have a stand for my microphone. So I ordered a stand in Amazon thinking it's gonna be easy, it's gonna be portable. No, guys, these things is a freaking gym things. These things is a 1.5 kilos, almost 2 kilos of stand. You can really hurt someone with this. This is freaking heavy. And I bought it thinking it was gonna be light, and I didn't check the weight. I was like, this is gonna be plastic. And these things, I can really destroy someone here. Guys, hey Paul, your short is killing it, Paul. I'm thinking about getting one contract soon here. I'm getting one contract there, risking quite a bit, but because I like the idea of going long all around this 170 areas, I'm gonna give it the 2270s. Let's see. I took one contract long there just for fun, guys. Let's see how it goes. That 270s will be the area of not will be out from it. MNQ, yo guys, this week is going 1 minute late for the short. Man, your short was beautiful here. Nothing to say there. What your short was amazing there. I'm seeing if it's gonna find a bounce here, this market. Looking for it. This 150s area. It's trying to find a bounce there. At least. Let's see if it's gonna get it. Live again, AOD, yes, live again, Powell time. Risking one. Look at it, one micro contract here. Guys, I'm trying to get a bounce here. Can we get a bounce? AOD. And we're going crazy for these lives. Sorry, I'm gonna make some sound here. Okay. I'm looking if I can add another micro contract. Looking at this, how candles evolves right now here. But this, it looks a beautiful place to purchase one more. No, that's at all, guys. Here is killing me. One more contract there. Let's see if I can get something there. We're looking for this bounce, for this breaker test around 150s. Can we get it? Can we get it? Give it to us. Give it to us, the acceleration right now. Yes. Yes, man. It's of FMC, my friend. Long it. You long it. I long it. I long it. Wait. I bought something. If it's gonna fit me. If it's gonna fit me. If it's gonna fit me. For the people that celebrate. Oh, this is gonna hurt, guys. This is not really bouncing at all. I'm giving it that low there at 70s, my stop loss. That would be like $300 loss. That's gonna hurt because right now we are below. But let's see. The 50s are there. Here. Oof, this is gonna hurt. I might call it and flatten it. Ooh. It's gonna kill me here. And I will tell you why I entered long, but definitely. Yeah. Wow, that was a nice loss there. 400, 500, 600, we're gonna be lost there. The 260, man, was a beautiful short there. My idea of long here, at least that was the idea, was this breaker test of this area. I was giving myself this breaker test as an area of retest, but it's not working at all. So I'm gonna give it away from that area. It's stopping one, it didn't stop him in the other one, but it's gonna stop me as well in the other one. I'm gonna flatten it. Down $500, that's okay, to be honest, being FMC on that trade. But we will see. Let's see if we can get something else from it. But okay, to be honest, that's 260 that Wakey said was a beautiful idea. A really beautiful idea. Kind of bias in my side to play long, but definitely playing long on FMC, or I mean short or long in FMC does not really matter. It's more of following the news. I was thinking on a bounce here, but looking right now at this daily candle situation, we broke the previous low candle. Breaking the previous low candle at 244, 50, 60. That's a very red thing. Right now the retest area is this one. That's more the real retest area and not this one here. I should maybe start to use more daily retest area and 4 hours than 1 hour retest area. Let's go to the 4 hours to see what it is. I mean, the 4 hours, what they give me as well, 460s. And right now it's pushing above. Let's see how it evolves. If it comes back a bit more here and it starts to find, but I don't wanna long anymore. I don't know. We'll see. That was a beautiful short, my friend. 260 to 100 was 160 points. I was hoping for long around the 170. It did not happen at all. 170, 50s, zero at all. No bounce, no continuation. I mean, one leg here, one leg short, second leg short. It was really there as well. So looked great until it didn't look great. That's how it sounds. That's how it sounds. Guys, if you're here and you're new, you can always leave a like there. Put a like. Today is the day of losses, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay to lose until the loss is an acceptable loss. Paul, are you still short? You came here? Yes, Paul was still short. Paul really killed it in his short, guys. I was shorting here today and I got screwed. Definitely this was a quick, strong bounce. Then it came back again. I mean, definitely here was just pre-FMC. And right now that we're insanely moving, we will see if this is gonna be the bounce, the V reversal of the day. And we might start to look for longs. How the heck I got stopped out on a freaking 290? I put wrong my stop loss there. At 270 I wanted to put my stop loss. Mistake. Okay. My idea was to put the stop loss below that area. Okay. Still anyway early for thinking that this is gonna be the bounce of the day. Coming back again. It's possible shorter and shorter. It's coming back even lower. We will look for a reversal around this area if it comes. Only if we get a possible change of structure here. Da-da-dun, 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 da-da-dun. That's the idea. And we find us some support. At least that's the idea. At least that is the idea. Okay, we're coming back again. Our wiki. Yes, and Paul is gonna speak in 4 minutes, so you might as well just see these things cooling down until Paul starts to speak. What is it? Honestly, in this period, it's more like scalping than trying to maybe look for a long position. You know, scalp a few points there, few points there, few breaks. That's a good. Let's see how after Powell evolves this market. Is it gonna go back higher? Is it gonna continue lower with Powell speaking? Because it's gonna be interesting how this daily candle is gonna evolve. Is this daily candle with Powell speaking gonna close even big short? That's gonna be a huge daily candle that is gonna be interesting to see. Or this after Powell speaks, this comes back higher and everything is still bullish. YOLO. Oh, honestly, I would love to YOLO everything. I would have loved to YOLO. If I could YOLO, I would YOLO right now. I still didn't take. Wait. Yeah, I still didn't take the second trade on the other strategy. Should I take it now? Nah. MFF long. What is that MFF long? What is MMF? What is MFF long? My funded feature. My funded feature is long. You took a long on the here to pass the evaluation. It's okay, brother. It's okay. Ten seconds before CPI. Yeah, man, I get you on that. Let's see how it evolves right now. We're still weak, eh? We're still weak. But we're getting some more green candles. How it evolves right now is gonna be interesting. And we have 10 more minutes for Powell to speak. Also, we might see the reversal in this area. That is more the daily chart area. This is the area of possible reversal. It's here. I should start to more use daily chart levels than 1 hour levels. That was this level here really took me in the wrong place. This was the good area of retest. And look at that. So right now what I'm gonna see, if this comes back here, I'm gonna try to get another long. And let's see how it evolves. Yeah, daily chart for direction is the best. Like by far, my friend. Yeah, I think daily chart is the way to do on direction side because it makes it much easier. Yes. Let's see if it is gonna get me in there or not. Is it gonna get me at 113? Just a little bit lower there. Nah? Da-da-da-da-da. Okay. Okay. $70. Wow. Okay. It didn't get me in. Sad and annoying. We'll see if we can get. We'll get another entry for sure. Just this was the change of structure I was looking for. But this did not really happen. The retest here. I was looking for this little retest. Come back and then push higher. We might look for a retest on this area. And then go long. Yeah, structure change right there. I was hoping Wakey to get a little bit. Yes, I wanted this pullback here. This pullback. It did not come. That's what the pullback I was looking for. It came just here, 113. I put the order, did not get filled. It sucks, but it is what it is. We wait for the next one. By the way, I went long here. That's something. The mistake here. I did not even wait for a change of structure. I went for a bounce on that, thinking for a quick bounce on the level, but not at all. Stopped out. Bit too aggressive, but it's okay. We can see this at 130 a possible retest area. So I might enter with one there. Uh, 130 here. $200, 250s. Is it gonna get me or not at all? Wow, that's so when I want to go long in the correct moment, I'm not getting long. But it's okay. We wait. Look at that. Again, I put an entry at 29.75 and I did not get filled. What was the pullback on the 1 minute chart there? The pullback at 31. I got my order there. Power comes in 6 minutes. Yes. We're gonna put it in background here for all of us. I have to. I'm sorry, guys. I forgot that I have the desktop audio on. What I'm gonna do is put my all inside candles. Yes, but I wish we got these 30s. 30 retest. I got it here. The dim is here. Bah. Something I definitely did a mistake here is the fact that this just waiting for this was the area of retest. It's okay. This will be crazy. All-time high in 30 minutes for real. Yes, it's a matter of like soon we're gonna get all-time highs. In 5 minutes we're gonna have power speaking. I'm gonna put it in background for everyone. So we're gonna put him in the corner there instead of the positions. You will see my position anyway on, so we don't need to see my positions there. What I'm gonna do right now is the FOMC live. Federal Reserve, I found it. I'm gonna put it there. Then what I'm gonna do right now is look for positions. What is this positions? Positions. And put your YouTube, see, boom. Boom, la la la, cracciara. Boom, boom, boom. Gonna fix it now. Give me just a second. And ah. So you can watch it together with me. There, a little bit, we're gonna put Powell speaking. Perfect. Honestly, I would love to risk a long here for one micro contract. Long here is a good long, but it will be too much risk. But here along at the 300s, this change of structure here and continuation long, it's perfect. Will be just nice to risk it. Put if the moment we bounce, put a quick stop loss in break even, and we just then cruise with it. We're gonna wait. The moment we see Powell deciding the direction, we're gonna see the best for us, but definitely a lot of potential any case here. Oof. Come back. I think it will dump. We have a red candle on the day and it just down on the day. We can maybe keep dropping all day like 1 point. There is room. Yes, 100%. Both of you guys, all of you, you're totally right on that. So thanks God I didn't go long there, guys. Look at that. I would have been getting stopped out. So that's the beauty of this chat. Thank you for reminding me to don't do dump shit. There is room for anything. Look at that. All the people that weren't long like me, and it's gone. So my long here would have been getting stopped out anyway with my stop loss at 73, 74. Wow. Okay. The moment we see this live here on the bottom side, you see Powell coming out. I'll put the audio on for them, and is there. Guys, you have to tell me if you can hear the audio. Still, there is no audio. Still, there is no audio, so no, don't worry. The moment it starts to speak, I'll let you know. No one is there speaking. Why? Can I show you a little bit? Okay, he's there. He's moving so many papers. Good afternoon.
My colleagues and I remain squarely focused on achieving our dual mandate goals of maximum employment and stable prices for the benefit of the American people. The economy is strong overall and has made significant progress toward our goals over the past 2 years. The labor market has cooled from its overheated.
Look at that. He just said that the market is strong, and look at that candle.
Much closer to our 2% longer run goal. We're committed to maintaining our economy's strength by supporting maximum employment and returning inflation to our 2% goal. To that end, today, the Federal Open Market Committee decided to take another step in reducing the degree of policy restraint by lowering our policy interest rate by a 1/4 percentage point. We also decided to continue to reduce our securities holdings. I'll have more to say about monetary policy after briefly reviewing economic developments. Recent indicators suggest that economic activity has continued to expand at a solid pace. GDP rose at an annual rate of 2.8% in the third quarter, about the same pace as in the second quarter. Growth of consumer spending has remained resilient, and investment in equipment and intangibles has strengthened.
I'm long there, guys.
In contrast, activity in the housing sector has been weak.
I'm long there, guys.
Overall, improving supply conditions have supported the strong performance of the U.S. economy over the past year.
And moving my stop loss to break even very soon.
Committee participants generally expect GDP growth to remain solid, with a median projection of about 2% over
We're
the next
looking. This guy is so positive for the moment on his speech.
Conditions remain solid. Payroll job gains have slowed from earlier in the year, averaging.
Oh my God! Can I get that one contract out just to have a?
The unemployment rate is higher than it was a year ago, but at 4.2% in November, it has remained low. Nominal wage growth has eased over the past year, and the jobs to workers gap.
Okay, out on that one just to have to release myself off the fit.
Indicators suggests that conditions in the labor market are now less tight than in 2019.
And I will add one more the moment we see structure going up, but for the moment there's no need to risk.
The median projection for the unemployment
Can we get a little bit more push?
4.2% at the end of this year and 4.3% over the next few years.
I'm just looking at the fact that we are
Inflation has eased
above this area of level.
over the past 2 years, but remains somewhat elevated relative to our 2% longer run goal. Estimates based on the Consumer Price Index and other data indicate that total PCE prices rose 2.5% over the 12 months ending in November, and that, excluding the volatile food and energy categories, core PCE
I'm moving my stop loss there in break even. Sphinx is not skyrocketing, so
well anchored,
better be careful with it.
Businesses and forecasters, as well as measures from financial.
It's one micro contract, so it's fine.
The median projection in the SEP for total PCE inflation is 2.4% this year and 2.5% next year, somewhat higher than projected in September. Thereafter, the median projection falls to our 2% objective. Our monetary policy actions are guided by our dual mandate to promote maximum employment and stable prices for the American people. We see the risks to achieving our employment and inflation goals as being roughly in balance, and we are attentive to the risks on both sides of our mandate. At today's meeting, the committee decided to lower the target range for the federal funds rate by a quarter percentage point to 4.25% to 4.5%. We've been moving policy toward a more neutral setting in order to maintain the strength of the economy and the labor market, while enabling further progress on inflation. With today's action, we have lowered our policy rate by a full percentage point from its peak, and our policy stance is now significantly less.
Because the 5 minutes candle above the level, the 80s, the 90s.
Cautious as we consider further adjustments to our policy rate.
That seems like possible reversal here, guys.
Policy restraint too fast or too much could hinder progress on inflation. At the same time, reducing policy restraint too slowly or too little could unduly weaken economic.
We're short at 111 and stopped at 131.
And considering the extent and timing of additional adjustments to the target range for the federal funds rate,
so for the we went against each other's.
And the balance of
long people got roasted today. I got stopped out right now in break even. I recovered what, $40 in the previous trade. So that's something.
Participants wrote down their individual assessments of an appropriate path for the federal funds rate, based on what each participant judges to be the most likely scenario going forward.
What's coming? Oh, look at that. Look at that.
The median participant projects that the appropriate level of the federal funds rate will be
this can be a head and shoulder, huh?
And 3.4%
kind of
at the end of 2026. These median projections are somewhat higher than in September.
I agree with that. There is no need to risk. That's why I'm trading only one micro.
Are not a committee plan or decision. As the economy evolves, monetary policy will adjust in order to best promote our maximum employment and price stability goals. If the economy remains strong and inflation does not continue to move sustainably toward 2%, we can dial back policy restraint more slowly. If the labor market were to weaken unexpectedly, or inflation were to fall more quickly than anticipated, we can ease policy more quickly. Policy is well positioned to deal with the risks and uncertainties that we face in pursuing both sides of our dual mandate. On a technical note, we lowered
I was
the
looking
offering
for
rate on our
that.
overnight reverse repo facility to align it with the bottom of the target range for the federal funds rate, its typical configuration. Technical adjustments of this kind have no bearing on the stance of monetary policy. The Fed has been assigned two goals for monetary policy: maximum employment.
That's what many people say, is that Trump has the idea that wants to fire Powell. He's saying no, but there is
expectations well anchored.
Gossiping about that Trump wants to fire him.
We understand that our actions affect communities, families, and businesses across the country. Everything we do is in service to our public mission. We at the Fed will do everything we can to achieve our maximum employment and price stability goals. Thank you, and I look forward to your questions.
Look at that! Look at that! Not even the time that he closed the laptop, everyone is with the hand up. Oh, guys, this is the moment of the market going up or down.
About why officials think it's appropriate to cut rates at all in 2025 if inflation is expected to remain firm throughout the year. And what would you expect at this point the timing might look like? Would a January cut potentially be possible, or does a pause next month seem more likely?
Well, so let me start by saying why we cut today and then move to 2025. So I would say today was a closer call, but we decided it was the right call because we thought it was the best decision to foster achievement of both of our goals: maximum employment and price stability. We see the risks as two-sided: moving too slowly and needlessly undermine economic activity in the labor market, or move too quickly and needlessly undermine our progress on inflation. So we're trying to steer between those two risks. And on balance, we decided to go ahead with a further cut, and I'll give you some details on why. Downside risks to the labor market do appear to have diminished, but the labor market is now looser than pre-pandemic, and it's clearly still cooling further. So far, in
market is definitely not
way. We don't think we need further cooling in the labor market.
Reacting
down to 2%.
Positive of what he's saying.
Well below the level, or certainly below the level, that would hold unemployment constant. The job finding rate is low and declining, and other measures such as surveys of workers.
How is the ES right now?
Things like that. Broadly,
yeah, ES really made a huge dump there. Lot. That can be the correction we were looking for the days.
Inflation, we see that story as still broadly on track, and I'll tell you why. We've made a great deal of progress. 12-month core inflation, as I mentioned, through November is estimated at 2.8%, down from a high of 5.6%. 12-month inflation has actually been moving sideways as we are lapping the very low readings of late last year. Housing services inflation actually is steadily coming down now, albeit at a slower pace than we might like, but it has now come down substantially, and it is making progress slower than hoped. And we've had recent high readings from non-market services and some bumpiness for goods. So I'll just say, so remember that we coupled this decision today with the extent and timing language in the post-meeting statement that signals that we are at or near a point at which it will be appropriate to slow the pace of further adjustments.
It's talking about, she asked about why they did the change right now of the interest rate and why it was done today and not January, and what the expectation of the 2025.
You saw in the SEP that risks and uncertainty around inflation we see as higher. Nonetheless, we see ourselves as still on track to continue to cut. I think the actual cuts that we make next year will not be because of anything we wrote down today. We're going to react to data. That's just a general sense of what the committee thinks is likely to be appropriate.
Your short was 1K up.
Just one quick follow-up. Why, I guess, would you make those cuts? Like, what would be the trigger to cut?
So we're to cut further after this point. I would say it this way: we've reduced our policy rate now by 100 basis points. We're significantly closer to neutral. At 4.3% and change, we believe policy is still meaningfully restrictive. But as for additional cuts, we're going to be looking for further progress on inflation, as well as continued strength in the labor market. And as long as the economy and the labor market are solid, we can be cautious about as we consider further cuts. And all of that is reflected, to your question, in the December SEP, which shows a median forecast of down 2 cuts next year compared to 4 in September.
How many questions? Oh my God.
Howard Schneider with Reuters, and thanks for the opportunity to ask you a question. So this does seem similar to the dynamic in 2016 during the last transition to a Trump administration, where the committee saw slightly tighter policy, in part in expected anticipation of the fiscal policy stance that was seen evolving over the year. Some of it was a data mark-to-market exercise, and some of it was anticipation of fiscal. What's the split on this one? How much of this was accounting for inflation data that was coming in, and how much of it is expecting that there will be inflationary fiscal policy next year?
I'd say I'd point to 5 or 6 things, and let me start by saying that we think the economy is in a really good place, and we think policy is in a really good place. Let's remember that the economy is growing 2.5% this year, that inflation has come down by 50% from 5.6% to 2.6%. Headline inflation is 2.5% on a 12-month basis. We're actually in a really good starting place here. But since, so what's really driving the slower rate cut path? First thing is growth is stronger, right? The economy grew faster in the second half of 2024 so far than we had expected, and is expected to be our expectations in September next year as well.
Market for the moment not really moving that much. We are consolidating between these 200s level, 50s, 200s. Is it going to be right now the continuation shorter?
Strength, right? Inflation is higher, as we talked about. Inflation's higher this year. It's also higher in the forecast next year. I'd also point out that we're closer to the neutral rate.
Stops are too wide. Yes, yeah, that's why even one micro contract for me makes it. Let me put that. Yeah. But so one micro contract right now, it's for me it's still. I have to remove this. Yeah, one micro contract for me is still here. Is like still $100 because you're giving yourself a 50-point stop loss. $100 with one micro contract. Only $400 on the PA left. Personal is up to. Okay, so you have minus. Okay, you're negative on your PA today, Paul. I mean, to be honest, this is still. I mean, if I have to do something right now, I will not play any longs, and I will try maybe to look for more shorts. The only things I will do probably. A break of the 15-minute candle here can be nice because the ATR is huge. And the break is coming in 1 minute. That can be a nice break. 60 and 41. This looks weak. We can get a break 30s. We get the 20s. Very quick break. And we have it in 4 seconds. I might really gonna take it, guys. But that looks good. And it's happening right now. I'm gonna go for that. For a continuation lower. Let's see. I'm gonna get screwed by this. Oh, that's almost there. Wow, I'm out from that. I'm not gonna take it. Short looks good. I'm not gonna take it anymore. I give up that. Did you see that I'm almost get filled by a tick? I didn't get filled and it stopped me out. It looks. I'm out of the short. Wick is out for the short. Yeah. Okay. That is there. I don't know if I would have getting slippage there. And taking TP, I will never get in my TP. Oh my god. This was a good quick shot there. Guys, something that only combined. Mahmoud before, super nice guys. He did not accept the $20 giveaway. So I'm gonna do it right now, guys. $20 giveaway, and I'm gonna do it from now to 3 p.m. So for 15 minutes, who speaks right now? DAX. From now up to 3 p.m. who comments is gonna play on the DAX race to win $20. Wiki. Let me put it in a note so it does not, I'm gonna just need to copy paste it. So who comments from now on to the later is gonna get to the giveaway. Wiki. From now to later, because we Mahmoud did not accept. Hello, my duck is well rested. So are you Paul? Katab is there. Katab for the giveaway. That's so. Oh my god, there was a nice break, but honestly, I just really got lucky. I did not get filled on the first one. I would be getting stopped out. So happy, and anyway, both sides. So it doesn't matter that I didn't get filled. So we have a giveaway, guys, $20. Not that much, but it's free money. Where the heck is the note? I put it here. I'm gonna put it here on the top. So Katab, are you Paul, Wakey? Next one, trading left, Nat, Winfinity. How do I join Discord, bro? I wasn't before, but lost my credentials. Where the heck are you, my friend? I can give you a link. Link is not working. No, yeah, because yeah, this one. This link. Winfinity is on the giveaway. So we have 5 people right now for the giveaway, guys. $20. It's not much, but $20 are there. We're gonna close this poll speaking. Guys, if you comment right now, put a like, comment, we do $20 giveaway. It's gonna be a fun duck race. Oh, please remove me from the giveaway. Oh, bro, please. You Winfinity, so you want to give away? I can remove you. Your choice, my friend, as you wish. I wish. Thank you. Anyway, in any case, Winfinity. I'm blessed already, and I'm very happy for that. I'm very happy for that, brother. That's very good. That's very good. That's what we want. Add the 2x DAX for Infinity. So we have 4 people, guys. You have 25% chance. Who comments? We're gonna put it for the duck race for $20. Alhamdulillah. 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 Infinity, where are you from? Let me know if the link works. Where the heck is? Oh, but what a bounce there! What is the question being asked?
7%, and as Howard noted earlier, most of the committee sees the risks to those projections to the upside.
UK. Oh, okay. UK from London. Also, Katab is from UK, I think. I have to remember everyone. Guys, if you comment, if you're new to the live, if you comment right now, up until 3 p.m. New York time, you go in for the giveaway. $20. $20. You're from London, or you're not from London? Let me know if you are in the Discord. You can let me know. Here you're there. I see you. I see you. I was beautiful short there. This market looking insane. Are we gonna get something more on the short side? I mean, this daily candle. Ooh, 22,000 there bouncing. Ooh. 100 miles from London. London live. I've been in London many times. Where 100 miles? Then you might be in another big city, or you are in the beach on the south, close to Brighton, or you're close to Bristol, or you're close to trying to be good at Midlands. That's okay. You're for the giveaway. 8 minutes. 8 more minutes for the giveaway. Near Birmingham. Okay. Okay, Wake, you can go to sleep, my friend. 8 more minutes for the giveaway, guys. If you comment, you're gonna be in for the giveaway. I will wait. Thank you. Ah, that's good. Okay, I will wait. Appreciate you. I mean, you can go to sleep. I'm just joking, my friend. You can go to sleep. Let's do it until 55. We do it in 3 minutes. We close the giveaway. So, guys, remember to comment, like, and you can enter in the giveaway. Comment in the chat. Comment in the chat. Comment in the chat, guys. We do the giveaway. In 3 minutes, giveaway. So Wake can come and watch it as well. Wife is waiting. Yeah, I agree. We do 2 minutes. Yeah, 2 more minutes. Happy wife, happy life. That's that's a good point. We do it in soon. Honestly speaking about today, kind of stupid that I was Python long. Beautiful breaker test here, beautiful breaker test here. Look at that, breaker test. Easy, 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 easy. After when I see it, it's always like that. So 2 more minutes, we can do the giveaway. If you comment, you are in for the duck race, guys. Duck race momentum. Let's remove this one. We don't care anymore about Powell. Can back positions there. And we're gonna do the duck race in 40 seconds. So the names are Wake, Are you Paul, Katab, Trading Left Nutty? Nut. Trading Left Nutty. Trading Left Nut. So we are 4 people. We're gonna do 1 minute and 30 seconds race. And I'm gonna right now change to that monitor. Let's see. Yes. So giveaway time, guys. $20 for the winner. Here's the moment of the truth. We're gonna set. We have. Oh, I forgot to put full-time screen. It's okay. If not, I have to go for screen. I have to do it, guys. It's better. I have the names copy paste anyway. So names, edit. So you can see everything, guys. I do. And we are ready, guys. Who's ready for the race of the year? Set. You can see everything. Yes. Not everything there. And ready to go. Start. And it's the moment of the race. Are you Polish pushing again as before? Pushing strong. Pushing strong there. Katab is in the dinosaur waiting there. Look at the dinosaur one. Paul, because without anything. Wake with the freaking. Oh, not so fast, bro. Not so fast. Yes, too early to push. Too early to push. Who's gonna win the $20? Who's gonna win the $20 here? Giveaway time. Giveaway time here. And 50 more seconds, guys. Everything can change. Everything can change. Trade left nutty, cut up can come back like nothing in the last 20 seconds. Just pay attention to it. Look at that. Trading left nut accelerating. Cut up watching from behind. Paul always leading, but that is not good. He's spending too much energy there in the front. Trading left nut accelerating in the last 20 seconds. Let's see. Is the moment of acceleration. 20 seconds. Trading left nut is losing it there. Wakey on the head. Wakey is gonna win again. 12 seconds. Oh, trading left nut is coming. Or are you Paul? Katab is accelerating. Oh, Katab, guys. Katab is the winner. Congratulations, Katab. Text me in Discord and we'll figure it out. $20 for you. Congratulations, Wiki, second. Trading left, third one. Are you Paul, the last one. The dinosaur won in the end. Katab cheating, what a sprint, and then it was the custom. It was the custom for sure. With the, with the tail moving left and right and acceleration. That was not fair. That was not fair. I would say that was not fair. The market is pushing down, guys. Congratulations on Katab winning this. Yeah, yes, I agree. Text me in Discord, my friend. Guys, we definitely had opportunity to short today. What is gonna give us is good opportunities on the next days. We will look into it. Hopefully we're gonna get another day. You know what I like is I might take a break on the continuation lower here. On the 15 minutes break. Right now that Powell is kind of over speaking, I might take a continuation lower on the 15 minutes break. I do like it until we are at 900s here. We still have space and 20 seconds to do it. No, 1 minute and 10 seconds. Bro, these breaks are great to refresh their minds. Yes. You're welcome, Kata. Text me later. Good night, Wiki. Thank you so much for coming and enjoy your night. Sleep well. See you tomorrow, brother. Let's see if we're gonna take the next break on the 15 minutes. I do like it. At least better than having Paul speaking random things. I think right now the direction is set. So we're gonna see right now in 1 minute. Bro, what do you mean $50 plus on the PA and it's $300 as a daily goal? Don't stress yourself, my friend. If today is not the day, just take what you have and just move on the next trade, my friend. Just don't stress too much yourself on that. There is no need to stress. Three seconds there. Gonna try to get it short. Let's see if we're gonna get screwed by it. We're short. Can we get these 10 points quick and done? Or we're gonna get screwed by it? Come on, market, give me these 10 points quick. Quick right now. And no, it's gonna stop me out. I should have not taken this trade. That's okay. I'm done for today. Guys, have a beautiful day. Today is another day of max loss. We are really cruising on losses these days. Guys, love you all. Peace and love. See you tomorrow, guys. Next live, 9:30 tomorrow. And giveaway for Katab. Text me in Discord, my friend. Thank you, guys, everyone. Love you all. That was a bad loss. 2 out of 2 today loss. Today is not the day. Sometimes it's good not to trade at all on FMC days.